Firstly, it is important for potential sellers to have a qualified, experienced realtor represent them. This can avoid many unreasonable expectations in terms of current pricing and timing to have a successful sale. Sellers should have a pre-inspection completed before listing their home. Staging a home helps get buyers out of their living room and into your home to take a look in person. The outside of the house matters. It should be well manicured and inviting. Plus, a home's interior should look fresh and clutter-free. Get rid of all that extra furniture and get all of that into a storage rental. Planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Give us a call. We're here to help.